Okay, so here is how you draw a cow, if you're wanting to draw a cow. You're gonna do kind of a long straight line on the back here. Okay. And now we're gonna do the head. Just gonna have a dome at the top. Come down, and then it comes out a little bit. Comes up, and it's just a kind of a simple shape. We're gonna put the ear on this side, and an ear on this side. Okay. You got the eyes. Okay. Nose holes. And there's the bottom lip for the jaw. Okay. Now time for the body. Okay, and the put the udders later. It's probably the most fun part of the animal to draw, in my opinion. Save the best for last. Just do the back legs here. As you can see, those are just simple little shapes. Little rear end action here. I'm drawing the tail kind of. He's like, the cow's a little bit in motion, so the tail's blurry a little bit. Okay, and I'm just gonna close up any gaps here. Okay, it's actually looking really good, guys. Now we're gonna draw the udders on here. Okay. And I'm not actually sure how many udders a cow has. I think 6 is the right amount, though. I'm gonna put my money on 6. Oops, that doesn't look right. Udders would be hanging down here. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna bust out our filler tool here. Okay, you guys, and there you have it. There's a cow.